Hey guys, so recently I took my Jeep in for an oil change, and please don't judge me, I still have some of the free ones left from when I bought it. Anyway, so I went in for an oil change, and I know I've needed a new air filter for a while. They tried to charge me $150 for installation on one. That's crazy. So I went home, went on Amazon, bought myself a K&N filter, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to get this installed. So let's head over to the Jeep and get it done.
The first thing we need to do is undo our hood latches. Then open the hood and locate the airbox on the passenger side of the engine bay. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the 5 screws holding the airbox lid in place. Careful not to drop these screws, like I did, but if you do, these typically fall to the ground. If you have a winch or other accessories, you may have to move some cables out of the way to access all of the screws. This last screw wouldn't come out, but it can stay attached to the lid for now. Lift the airbox lid, and then remove the old filter. Ugh, just look how nasty this old thing is. Now let's break out the new fancy K&N filter. Position it the correct way and then place it into the airbox. Resecure the lid and tighten everything back down. It's that simple, and hopefully it saves you a little bit of money too. Now let's just get everything closed back up and we're ready to hit the road. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.